You get all like, start freaking out. Here's my freak out moment right here. Boom, take off. Let's get it. Let's go. We off that.
Still got the city on my back. Running fourth down on fire. I'm just trying to put us on the map. From the south, we gon' take it up higher.
Hey yo, so fam, check this out. I haven't been working all day. I had to do some stuff. Look, I went and got this vest, right? So I can start taking you guys in the stores with me. It's about to get crazy. I just swiped I don't even know what this was. I think a 30 something. What we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go inside the store on this one. It's actually a Giants batch. So I'm headed to Giants right now. And when we get there, I'm gonna bring y'all in low key. Let's have some fun. Let's get it. All right, so we in there. We in the store now. Let's get it. Y'all with me? Follow along, baby. We about to have some fun. All right, so right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm scanning the items. I want to see what's already on the list so I can kind of visualize things as I go, right? Let's keep it going. Look, I see some sodas. I see some stuff. Let me send my intro message. Boom, boom. Sent that to the customer. Let's get it. All right, so what's the first thing we're going to get? Let's go. What's in this aisle? I don't know if anything on this list is in this aisle right now, but we looking left and right. Boom. What do I see right here? Bacon. What do I notice on the wall? Meat. Let's find that bacon. Let's find that bacon. Nope, that ain't it. That ain't it right there. That's not the one. That's not the one. Boom. There it is. That's the one. That's the one. First try. Scan that. Let's go. Throw it in the cart. Let's get it. Next item. What are we looking for next? Wine. All right, so I thought I was gonna get lucky and see the wine right here. That's why I said, let me find that wine. But since it wasn't right there, I was like, look, I know the wine is around the corner, so let's go find this wine. All right, we looking for Waldo. Where's that wine? Tell it, I hate looking for wine, man. I hate it. Where's that wine? Where's that wine? Boom, I got lucky. Woo! Look at those eagle eyes, boy. Let's get it. All right, next item. What are we looking for now? Oh, I noticed my peripherals. Boom, those peripherals. I noticed soda. You see that soda right there, that Coca-Cola. I was like, all right, let me just grab these cases of soda because I seen it from my peripheral, so I knew it was over here in this aisle. All right, let's scan that. Let's scan that. That's a win. Yeah, that's a win. Get another one. Boom, boom. Let's move that bacon out the way. We can't smush that bacon. All right. Is it? Obviously, the next soda was right next to it. This is easy find. Right now, we on the road. Easy find. We haven't messed up once. Perfect. 100%.
Pardon me. Sorry.
Excuse me. Boom. We knew that Polar was in the same aisle too. It got to be right next to the sodas, right? In almost every store. So we knew that. All right, we found that. Let's get up out of here. We got all the sodas, all the beverages, almost all of them at least.
Sorry, brother. As
you will see right here. I was like, oh, wait a minute. What's this? Pause, turn around. Wait a minute. Is this in this aisle? This is what, juice? Is this in this? Nah, nope. Ain't no juice in this aisle. It's all soda. Let's get up out of here. This is what I'm doing. Boom. So I'm thinking like, okay, what's next? What can I see from here? I'm looking down aisles. What's next? I need to find that next item, and I need to find it fast. Nah, that's not here. That's bacon aisle. Then, what I didn't know was that item was right behind me, but I'll find it later. I did not find it over here because it's not over here. But we gotta look fast and get up out of there fast. Another item I am looking for that is not in this aisle. Get up out of there fast. Nope. Keep it moving. Come on, let's keep it moving. Dodging people. You see me with the moves. I'm quick with it. Come on, we still looking for those items. That mashed potatoes. Where is this item, right? We're taking too much time. Tick tock, tick tock. Let's go. where the heck is this item, right? I know all of you have been there. But then boom, boom, right? My peripherals, boom, I noticed this. I remember seeing a can on my list.
20.
20. That's the only problem. 20 of them. Is it the right one? Boom, boom. Let's get it. Let's load up 20. Go get that cart. We ain't walking back and forth that many times.
Excuse me. Sorry.
All right, let's load these. Let's load these 20 cans up right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And honestly, right here, I'm not even counting. What I'm doing is I'm looking at every single can to make sure they're all the same, because you don't want to grab a different type of string bean on an accident, right? You got 19 of the right ones and one wrong one. That's how you get dinged. So now we just making sure every single one is the same one. As you can see me looking at every single can. Then we're gonna double count. Let's go. Make sure. And I'm an idiot, so I had to recount it again. All right, we found that. Off to the next one. Let's get it. Let's go. We're wasting way too much time right now. Like I got anxiety right now. Like sweating. This is a cool lady.
Here we go.
You have to buy 10?
Huh?
You have to buy 10, I wonder?
To get the deal?
Yeah.
No, you just enter your phone number and then it'll take off as if you bought 10. So like whatever the discount is, once you put it in, it'll add it to single boxes.
Cool.
Cool. Cool. She's so sweet. I love her. Let's get it. We found those. Easy. Come on, let's load those up. Yo, this is getting outrageous. Look at this. All this stuff is getting outrageous. My cart is getting ridiculous. Let's get up out of there. Pasta, right? Which is right over here that I messed up. This is the first item I messed up a few times. Look, wrong item.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay, you're fine.
Is this the one? Wrong item again. Kept getting it wrong. Come on, VAR. Let's go, VAR. There it is, right in front of you. Come on. Yep, right there. Yay! Good job. Good job, Tap VAR. Boom. Let's get him. Now let's get up out of here. Wasted way too much time in that aisle.
Okay, then you always follow.
But we're like, hold up, where's the baking aisle? We see those brownies in that Jiffy cornbread. I think that's what it is, right? That cornbread. So what we're looking for right now is the baking aisle. Boom, we found a Jiffy. Let's get it. Bang, bang. Let's go. Easy. Throw it in the cart. Come on. We was gonna go get the muffins, but we was like, nah, too much stuff in our hand. Let's go put these in the cart, which is way down there. Now we're bringing that cart a little closer, right? Because we got to get a couple of these brownie mixes. Don't want to be walking back and forth. Let's make some room. Organization is key. Be organized.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry.
Everybody wants brownies right now for some reason.
It would be right here.
Yep, and that's my luck. Right here. Behind the boxes, that's my luck. Boom, let's get it. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go. Boom, 5, let's get it, one more. And we off that, let's get it. Now where we at? 3 more items, let's go. Let's go, 3 more items. We almost done. Where are these items though? Where are these items? We looking down every aisle while we're walking, by the way. We are looking down every single aisle. Boom, boom. My peripherals. Yes. My peripherals, I seen that purple. That purple jumped out at me, and I was like, let's go. Got him. All 3, let's get it. Throw those in the cart. We're down to 2 more items. Let's go. You know when you're down to your last items, you get all like, start freaking out. Here's my freak out moment right here. Boom, take off. Let's get it. Let's go. We off that. We off that. We taking off. Snacks. Oh, boom, I see some snacks right here. Where they at? Let's go. Any over here? Nope. Nope, take off. We off that. Hit that 4240 flat. I was a track star. Let's go. Grab the cart, turn around. We gotta find the snacks. Clock is ticking. We trying to get up out of here. We ain't trying to be in here no longer. Come on, let's ride that cart. Let's make it faster. We about to ride the cart. Woo, jump on the cart. Choo-choo train coming through. Watch out. All right. We find the snack aisle yet? Let's go. Come on. Straight up lost, like annoying. Boom, we found some snacks. Pop-Tarts. We know snacks is over here. Let's go. Z-bars. Where are those daggone Z-bars? Where are they? Boom! Money! Nope. Almost money.
What?
They wanted a bigger size. What do we do here? Think it through. It's not here. Replace. We replacing it. Let's go. We're replacing that. Yes. The one she wanted 12, and these are 6, so we're gonna get 2 of them. Let's just get 2. There it is. Boom, right? And then right when we replace it, we let her know. Take a picture. Boom, boom. There it is. Same exact Z-bars you want. Just 2 boxes instead of 1. Let her know real quick in a message. With a smiley face. Let's get it. Last item. Goldfish. Where are those goldfish? Come on. Boom, we in the snack aisle. We found another snack aisle. We know, we seen Oreo cookies. We know goldfish is in this aisle. Boom, right here, we found them. Let's go. She said thank you to my message. Look at that, she's happy. She's happy, I'm happy. Let's keep it going. But where are these goldfish? Come on, man. I don't see them. I don't see them. I see a version of them at the top. Let's grab them. Let's grab those, right? I'm just thinking, like, should I replace them or are they here, right? And I can't find them anywhere, so gotta be quick about this. I'm wasting way too much time, thinking too much. Let's go. Let's just replace them. Let's just replace them. It's a smart replacement. Same thing, just a bigger bag, a slightly bigger bag. So I replaced it. And she wanted 2, so we still got 2, just because the price wasn't too much of a difference. It was only a couple cents more, so I'm like, all right, might as well just get 2 still. If it was like a couple dollars more, I wouldn't have got 2. I maybe would have just got 1. But now let's let her know. But that ain't the right photo, right? We want to show both the bags in the photo. Let's show both the bags. Say cheese. Let's get it. Boom. Sent that photo. That's it. Checking out now. We finished. Let's get it. Now when we checking out, organize. We put in the boxes with the boxes, right? Boom, there they go. All the boxes with the boxes. We're gonna put the cans with the cans. We're gonna put the cold with the cold. We're gonna put the hot with the hot. Come on, that's common sense. We're gonna put all the stuff together like it should be. Look at that. Everything together. Make it easy for the cashier. Now all the cans, let's go. Look at that, money. Ooh. More money. Cha-ching. Even more money. Cha-ching. Let's go. That's how we do it. Going a little faster now. We off that. Trying to make up that speed.